This is the Canary Flex review. It is a brand new camera that you can now purchase at Best Buy and directly from Canary's website. The Canary currently retails for $200 and is available now. The Canary Flex now has the advantage of allowing you to place the camera wherever you would like to without the need of a power cord, which allows you to place it outside, anywhere you want. Inside the box, you will get the Canary Flex camera, a base with a strong magnetic bond that will allow you to place the camera in almost any direction you'd like to, and you have the power cord. Pairing the Canary Flex to your phone is a very simple and straightforward thanks to the intuitiveness of the Canary app. When you unplug the Canary from direct power, it then uses a motion sensor built in on the bottom to activate the footage and recording for you. While using the motion detector to track the movement and start recording of videos, there is a slight 2 to 3 second delay before the video actually starts recording. The Canary paired with the app allows you to look in at your house or your outside at any time with wonderful footage. In my 2 weeks with the unit, I've noticed that video recording has become quicker and more responsive over time. I don't know if Canary has updated it, but it has gotten much better than the beginning. If you're looking for an excellent indoor or outdoor home security camera, you can't find much better than the Canary Flex. With its versatility to use it inside and outside, you'll be hard pressed to find a camera that can do as much as this camera can.